unit. Raymond had been a friend and an acquaintance for the last 41 years. We had been the young Turks in the NPN when he was the Director General of Dr. Alhaji Bamanga Tukur's gubernatorial campaign in the old Gongola state. Raymond, until his death, remained a very, very courageous person, a very dependable ally. In whatever situation he finds himself, he maintains a dignified position as a courageous politician that most politicians are not. I want to tell you that most rich people and highly placed individuals are cowards. Most of them are cowards. Despite Raymond's position in life, he never wavered in whatever position he chose for himself. We will miss him. We will miss a courageous Nigerian, detribalized. He belongs to whole Nigeria. He's from the north, he's from the south. And Raymond never left a friend for otherworldly things. So his death is a great loss to us. I had been in Kano, had to come and sign this register. We will be missing him. I hope most of us politicians today will maintain his dignified position as we had seen him do. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Your full name, sir?
My name is Engineer Buba Galadima. I am the Secretary of the Board of Trustees of the New Nigerian People's Party. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.